We are going to study some psychology today. And in psychology, you have studied about intelligence quotients. Intelligence tests and done in schools and other places, and intelligence is considered. But intelligence alone not enough. There is another thing to be considered. That is emotional intelligence. A person may be very intelligent. Yes, he became engineer or doctor or artist. And if a dispute comes, he kills a person in a fit of anger. Has he got emotional intelligence? He will be in jail. An intelligent person. But he in a fit of anger kills another person or makes trouble. What insult is? What intelligence it is? So here find that there is another intelligence. What is it? Emotional intelligence. IQ, you are all familiar with IQ. Intelligence quotient. Intelligence quotients. IQ. There is another thing. Emotional intelligence quotients. EQ. IQ and EQ are there. IQ intelligence quotients. EQ emotional intelligence quotient. Emotional intelligence quotient. What is emotional intelligence? I am telling about intelligence. You all know about it. What is emotional intelligence? It is the ability. It is an ability. It is the ability to understand, use, and manage your emotions. Not your intelligence alone. Your emotions. Emotions are intensified thoughts. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use, and manage your emotions. Your emotions. And to understand and respond to the emotions of others. You understand your emotions. You understand others' emotions and deal with it in an intelligent way. There lies emotional intelligence. So what is emotional intelligence? You want to write down? Emotional intelligence is also one you please write down. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use, and manage your emotions, and to understand and to respond to the emotions of others. To understand more about that, I am going to ask you some MCQs, multiple choice questions. Options will begin to bracket. Then there is a which option, and I will explain you why, how it is. So write down 1. Which of the following is a factor of emotional intelligence? Which of the following is a factor of emotional intelligence? Choices. A. Sympathy to others. Sympathy to others. B. Empathy to others. Empathy to others. C. Consideration to others. D. All these. D. All these. So let us see what is the answer. Emotional intelligence consists of all these factors. These are the factors. Sympathy to others. There should be empathy to others. And should have consideration to others. So what is the answer? D is the option. All these. Write down the second question. EQ. Capital letters. EQ. Emotional intelligence. Choices giving A. Can be improved. Can be improved. B cannot be improved. B cannot be improved. C, it is fully hereditary. D, do not depend fully on heredity. D, do not depend fully on heredity. So let us see what is first one. A, can be improved. Yes, it is possible to improve emotional intelligence. By you studying about it and practice it, you can improve your emotional intelligence. It is a things which can be voluntarily practiced and to be done. And B is cannot be improved. It is not so. Emotional intelligence can be improved. C, it is fully hereditary. Not fully hereditary. Hereditary factors are playing there. For example, if an angry parents children also can be like that. But it is fully hereditary not. What we practice, how we study and based on that. So it is fully hereditary is wrong. Do not depend fully on heredity. It does not depend fully on heredity. How we practice, how we learn and practice it. It is based on that. So what is the answer? Can be improved. Option B, can be improved. Third question. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence. Telling about that now. A, not an intelligence. B, it is a type of intelligence. It is a type of intelligence. It is a cognitive function. See, it is a cognitive function. D, a reflex action. So let us see what is the answer. A, not an intelligence. Emotional intelligence is intelligence. Not an intelligence, how can it be? So not an intelligence is wrong answer. B, it is a type of intelligence. Yes, that is the answer. It is a type of intelligence. That is, you know what is intelligence? More than that it is. It is a type of intelligence. Then C, it is a cognitive function, not cognitive function alone. D, a reflex action. Now connection. Reflex action is when we touch about object, we immediately withdraw the hands, less such actions, involuntary actions. Done. So, the answer is, it is a type of intelligence. B, it is a type of intelligence. Fourth, in emotion, the following changes take place in the body. In emotion, the following changes take place in the body. Find the wrong answer. We have to find the wrong answer. A, blood flows to hands in anger. It is right. When one is angry, blood flows to hands to fight. B, blood flows to legs in fear. Yes, in order to run and escape, blood flows to legs in fear. So that is right answer. What we have to do is to find the wrong answer. C, heart rate increases in anger and fear. That is also right. When anger and fear is there, heart goes on beating fast. Heart rate increases in anger and fear. D, adrenaline not secreted in anger and fear. Adrenaline not secreted in anger and fear. That is the wrong answer. Adrenaline is secreted. In anger and fear, adrenaline is secreted. The emergency hormone is secreted. So answer is option D. Adrenaline not secreted in anger and fear. 5. Blood flows to the large skeletal muscles such as the legs. Blood flows to the large skeletal muscles such as legs, making it easier to flee, to escape. Which is the emotion? So here the question is, blood flows to legs and make it ready to flee and escape. When do we fly away? When do we flee away? Flee away? A. Emotions are given here. A. Love. A. L-O-V. Love. B. Hate. Hate is the opposite of love. C. Anger. D. Fear. When one is angry, muscle balls to the shoulder muscle, blood flows to shoulder muscles and hands. It is to legs, large muscles of the legs. It is to flee away. So answer is D. What's the emotion then? Fear. F-E-A-R, fear. F-E-A-R, fear is the emotion. Fear is the answer. Question what? Blood flows to the large skeletal muscles such as legs, making it easy to flee. What's the emotion? It is fear. 6. Love, comma, tender feelings and sexual satisfaction entail, E-N-T-A-I-L, entail dash arousal. Entail dash arousal. Love, tender feelings and sexual satisfaction entail dash arousal. A. Autonomous. Once more telling it. Question number 6. Love, tender feelings and sexual satisfaction entail dash arousal. A. Autonomous. A-U-T-O-N-O-M-O-U-S. Autonomous. B. Sympathetic. S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-E-T-I-C. Sympathetic. C. Parasympathetic. Adrenosympathetic. A-D-R-E-N-O-S-Y-M-P-A-T-H-E-T-I-C. Adrenosympathetic. So the question is tender feelings, love, sexual satisfaction and such things which that is not emergency. That is one is enjoying it, relaxing it. So A. Autonomous. Autonomous means which? Autonomous consists of two, sympathetic and parasympathetic. So autonomous answer not clear. Both are in this. B. Sympathetic. Sympathetic what? It is in emergency. That love is not an emergency feeling. C. Parasympathetic. Yes, that is what acts when one relaxes and the tender feelings come. So A. Autonomous. B. Sympathetic. C. Parasympathetic. Parasympathetic is what acts when one is relaxing. D. Adrenosympathetic. Adrenal glands will produce adrenosympathetic. That is emergency. Why A is not the answer? Autonomous. It is not mentioned whether parasympathetic or sympathetic. And B sympathetic. Just the opposite it is. And parasympathetic. That is the answer. D adrenosympathetic. Just like sympathetic is not just adreno also added. Sympathetic is often called as adrenosympathetic because adrenal glands are also associated with emergency. Adrenal glands and sympathetic. So once the answer C, parasympathetic is the answer. Great.